Exploring Assigned Reading, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of assigned reading. This is a common term used in educational settings, and understanding it is crucial for students, especially those learning English. Let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. Assigned reading refers to the specific books or texts that a teacher or instructor gives to students to read as part of their coursework. This is different from personal reading choices, as assigned reading is mandatory and usually forms the basis for class discussions, exams, or assignments. It's an essential part of the curriculum in most educational systems. Assigned reading plays a critical role in education for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that all students are exposed to specific, relevant materials that support the learning objectives of the course. Secondly, it helps in developing critical thinking and comprehension skills as students analyze and discuss the content. Finally, it allows for a shared learning experience among classmates, fostering collaborative learning. While assigned reading is beneficial, it can sometimes be challenging, especially for English language learners. Here are a few tips to handle it effectively. 1. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute to begin your reading. 2. Take notes. Jot down important points, themes, or questions as you read. 3. Discuss with peers. Talking about the reading with classmates can enhance understanding. 4. Seek help if needed. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher for clarification or assistance. That's all on assigned reading. We hope this video has helped you understand this important aspect of your educational journey. Remember, reading is not just a task but a gateway to knowledge and understanding. Happy reading, and see you in the next video.